Alright, in today's tutorial we are going to go over in a repair order how to use these bottom tabs down here to your advantage and add products and or operations to your repair order. So in the repair order, you'll notice that in the parts tab, this is where you can add or remove parts from a specific product that you're repairing. So what we can do here, the first thing we can do is we can just add a line, and we can add any product to this repair order that we need to. So maybe we added some needles for whatever reason here. It automatically brings those in with the taxes associated with it and everything there. And you can add or remove whatever product that you would like, and as many as you would like in this repair order. So this is where you can add parts, or new parts if there was an electrical part you needed, or a light, or anything in there that was required. Screws, nuts, bolts. We could see if we have those in there. We could bring in our bolts and say we used 5 of those. It would bring them in there at the price. Now, the operations tab, this is where we keep track of the operations that we're doing here. So I've created products in the inventory module called repair services. So in this particular instance, I'm going to add those in there and remove the taxes on those. In here, this description is where whoever is doing the repair order can put notes that they want the customer to see. So they can say replaced electrical cord, added nuts and bolts, wow, if I can spell, and whatever else you want to add in there. And then they could add in the quantity. So if this is an hourly, say I spent 2 hours there at the unit of that. Oh, but I forgot to save that. Place cords, added nuts and bolts, and then we'll go into this, and we'll save that, and then we'll add a line. And here's where we could say maybe we have an annual maintenance package that this person decided they wanted. We could add that in as well. And if we wanted to, we could add a description of that maintenance package in the product itself, and it would show up here. Repair notes are for internal notes. For future reference, the customer does not see these notes. And quotation notes are quotes that you could add in when you first started this quotation if the customer had some specific things they needed. So that's where you can add those in, and then you'll want to go ahead and save that, and you can add as you go, and once you're done, you can confirm the repair, and it will say, hey, this dialog will pop up, and it's just saying, hey, this isn't in your inventory, and that's okay because we've already established that it will be coming from our partners and customers. So we're just going to go ahead and confirm that. And now we could start the repair. I kind of skipped over this part, but we can hit the start repair, and it will actually show up as under repair on our status. So that's kind of the general way to start a repair and add time to it and other items there. We'll go over in another module how to end the repair and create an invoice for the customer. Thanks for watching.